If you love egg salad, I promise you're going to love this recipe. We're making it healthier. We're making about 100 times more delicious. And we're using 4 ingredients. It takes about 45 seconds. Seriously, 45 seconds. And it's the kind of meal you could have it for breakfast. You could have it for lunch. You could have it for dinner. You could have it on the go. Enough of me talking. Let's go. As always, we like to start every meal off with protein. I love basing it around protein. So we're making egg salad. What do you think it's going to be? Of course, we're going eggs, hard-boiled eggs. You can boil them, you could buy them pre-cooked. And because this is going to be more of a snack today, we're actually only going to use 1 egg. Of course, you can use 2, you can use 3, do whatever you want. There are no rules. So let's start just by mashing up this 1 egg. That's it. We're just going to mash it up. Again, I'm just using 1 egg. If you want more of a meal, have 2, have 3. All right, so mashing the egg took about 5 seconds. We got 40 seconds to spare. Let's go to the next ingredient. Okay, so ingredient number 2 now is going to make it healthier. So instead of drowning it in mayonnaise, let's be honest, who doesn't love mayonnaise? It tastes really good. Probably not the best thing for us, especially all the oil. So I've been using this more and more in my recipes and in my daily life, cottage cheese. I'm going to use this instead of mayonnaise. And before you say, that sounds awful, I don't like cottage cheese, this is going to sound gross, I'm telling you, give it a try. Promise you're going to like it. And now I actually have this instead of mayonnaise, and you might make the switch too. So now let's add it to the egg. So you can blend it up. Obviously, I'm just going to, because we're only doing this in 45 seconds, we're going to add it right there, and we're going to mix together. I'm going to add a little bit more. Perfect. All right, so that was about 10 seconds of mixing. We got 5 seconds for mushing up the egg. We got 10 seconds of cottage cheese. We're about 15 seconds in. Where the last 30 seconds are going to go? Let's go to ingredient number 3. Now, ingredient number 3 is going to be the bread that holds it together. Literally, use whatever kind of bread you like. I'm gluten-free, and I've been using these more and more. Some people love them. Some people are like, they're a little mushy. They're just wraps made entirely with egg whites. I just warmed it up in the microwave for 10 seconds. So now it's ready. But before we add the egg salad, we are going to the secret ingredient number 4. And this is the thing that brings it up to the next level. If you haven't guessed, that's right. We are talking smoked salmon or Nova or lox or salty lox or better, whatever you want to call them. This is the secret weapon. I grew up on lox. I have it all the time. I love it. It's protein. Watch out. Some of it is a little bit salty. You just got to be a little bit careful with that. But this goes so well with eggs. And we're going to pair it today with our healthy egg salad. So now let's start putting this together. So I'm just going to cut up about an ounce or so of the lox and then put it right on the wrap. Oh, look at that. So now we've got the lox here. And now we're just going to take the egg salad we made, which was the eggs with the cottage cheese, put that right on top of the wrap and the lox. Before I add a little bit of seasoning, just do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this. Why not? Go hit the button. All right, let's keep going. I've been using this more and more, and I found this goes really, really well with any type of eggs. It's in everything but the bagel seasoning. None of these people are sponsors. I'm just sharing you what I like. But that with the lox, with the eggs, is perfect. So you have the egg and the protein and the cottage cheese and the protein from the lox and the protein from the egg. So you get a very proteiny type of meal. It could be with 1 egg. It's really probably more of a snack, just depending on how many calories you have. So this is all wrapped up, and you've got a delicious meal. Again, you can have eggs for breakfast. You can have them for lunch. You can have them for dinner. There's no rules. And this, for me, is a really good high protein snack. So I'm going to enjoy this. So speaking of enjoying, I'll see you on the next video.